Are you an Instacart shopper? It's tax season and that means it's time to get your 1099 form. In this video, I'll walk you through how to get your 1099 from Instacart so you can file your taxes hassle-free. So let's dive in. First, let's quickly cover what a 1099 form is and why it matters for you as an Instacart shopper. The 1099 is a tax form used by independent contractors to report their income to the IRS. If you earned more than $600 from Instacart in a year, you'll receive a 1099 form to help you file your taxes. Instacart typically sends out your 1099 by January 31st each year, so if you've met the $600 earnings threshold in the previous year, keep an eye on your email and your Instacart dashboard around that time. To access your 1099 form, open the Instacart Shopper app and log in. Tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Go to the tax information or tax forms and you should see your 1099 form listed there. Tap it to download or review the details. You'll see a summary of all your earnings from Instacart during the past year, which you'll use when filing your taxes. If you prefer to access the 1099 form on the website, go ahead and open the website, click on Account Settings, and click on Tax Forms, and you'll find your 1099 form available for download there. And that's it. Now you know how to get your 1099 form from Instacart and what to do with it when tax season rolls around. Remember, if you run into any issues, Instacart support is there to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tips. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.